guys, welcome to Rings and the Beats. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys some of my favorite pieces to get from Ross. If you're in the United States, they're very fairly well-known company and they're very affordable. So the first thing I like to get is these V-necks and also these tights that I have on. They come with a nice thick waistband. They're actually biker shorts and I absolutely love them. So this is what they look like, and they're about the knee. They're super stretchy and super soft, and this is just another color of the top that I have on. So yeah, and I also love to wear these with big oversized shirt with sneakers to dress it up a bit. So before I get into the clothing items, I love to get accessories and like slippers there. So this is one purse that I got, which I absolutely love. I don't even know what price, but I'm sure it wasn't that expensive. Next one I got is this, and I feel like this really set it off right here. This right here, the scarf, and that's an Aldo purse. Another thing I like to get from them is scarf. You can tie it around your head. It's all in. Who can mess with me? It's all in. Look at it. Tie it around the top. Or if you're going to the beach, you can just if you're going to the beach and you need a bit of covering up, it's all in. You can just tie it like this. So I like to get stuff like that. Get flip-flops, slippers, amazing. And I got this one also off of the group Baby, is this bag. And this right here is a Steve Madden bag. I'm actually going to use this for my baby bag. It has two large compartments in it. All I'm going to do is get an organizer and use it for my baby bag. I absolutely love it. It has this little clutch area that I can put my wallet, I can put my cards. I also got this from Ross, which I will be putting my stuff in. Other accessories you can get are glasses, and headbands and stuff like this. Amazing. You can get a super cute bathing suit. I'm not gonna try this on, but I feel like this is very family friendly, appropriate. I love how it comes with cups, and the little one shoulder detail is cute. Joggers and stuff like that. Yoga pants. I love Ross for stuff like this, and I'm gonna try these on. So the first one I got is this, and this was $13.99. It's 11:30 high Rise vintage shorts, and I got this. This is how it looks. It comes in almost cream color. It have cuffs at the bottom, and I'll definitely try these on for you guys. And I love this. I love it. Especially if you have a little bit of pudge and you don't want to show your stomach, but you still want to wear a crop top. I feel like this is amazing. I also got these linen pants, these linen shorts right here, and this was $9.99. This was a large. Let's see what size I got in this. In the high waist pants, this was a 11. This was a large. And they say this is white. To me, this is not white. This is off-white or cream. And it's sisonclothing.com. So this, I love the belt. You can really use it to cinch your waist in. Amazing for the beach or just general. Another one of my favorite are mud shorts. Like if you see mud shorts or mud pants, get them because they're always really great quality. They last a long time. This is in the size 13, and this is high-rise midi. And I think mud comes from Kohl because it says Kohls.com in here. So love these shorts a lot. The shorts version is what I have on now, but they also have the pants version, and I'm going to try it on for you guys. This is amazing. And a lot of stuff I'm getting to work out because I need to start working out again. I'm getting stuff that is comfortable and that will make me feel good while I'm working out. Another thing I like to get are graphic tees. I see a Biggie, a Tupac, some really cool graphic tees, and this was the one that I got. So yeah, these are super casual clothing or workout loungewear clothing that's super soft. And if you guys are in the business or looking for some workout clothes or some super casual shorts or some flip-flops or whatever, or some really cute accessories, handbags and stuff, definitely check out Ross. It's a staple. I don't know who don't shop at Ross. You can get some really bomb shoes there also. But yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.